Hello, good morning. My name is CAHW. I'm a community animal health worker from Kolgo here. Gamna last take us for the training. So we came and help our community. So if the animals is not well, we can treat them. That's why we are here. So I want to give it to my sister here so that you can ask her questions. To Yore. She name is Sibia Joswene.
What kind of animals does she have?
Hunta ben dunsi.
Manta a boost in a piece.
She wear a goat and sheep.
Okay. And can you please ask her how often do veterinarians come here?
The wood mother akabobla veterinary offices la da chin kanangan. Bara bo yadana wi ba yanyata ba be yakanyata ba.
Tilan kanyata ba.
Tokro vol to ko.
Tilan kanyata ba.
We dunsi yadana ngangan.
To me we be have get kanyata ba.
She's saying that time we don't have if you call them you won't get them in the time that you call them, but when we came no it is now good for them to wear their armors more than that.
Okay. So how have the community animal health workers been able to help her and her animals?
The man the community animal health workers like the mar hunangan.
Oh ya mar mana fine. Fair let man ya danka bobula man dusna danu ko kiram. Gan ko cinta zam wala o man kale nyaku. Ya ko tips na fine.
When we were not there, no, if the animals run diarrhea or suffer from mange, they always die. They can't use them for anything. But when we just came, no, now the animals are good. That's why you can see these animals here.
Okay, so can you tell me a little bit about the goat that had some nasal discharge?
The buala kara anangane tirama whatever kaya anangana.
Buala dan sarum. Kara ko sam kata iskira. Tara yan bokati am borkati na kaya wanya imas.
It was running diarrhea, so that time even the goat cannot stand. When we deworm, we give the dewormer. So that now that the goat are healthy.
Okay, perfect. And last question for her, I want to ask her, why is it important that women in rural areas of Ghana are part of the agricultural sector?
Ben so tmakala nga ben tiposi naraba po ugra ge kora.
Tu ben na pura pura.
Ben so nara tu ugra ge po kora.
Seren swati te po ku ura ge korala te sambata seri tu nyokla bunna ba hosan ko ber po se biya hamona suku hunta top ku bunna bata jiriyo hunta nyoko bunna watada mar homenga ban swati ku natu po na bra po kora ge urala.
She said if a woman to agriculture, if we don't do the wedding and the farming, if your child is hospital bill, you can pay school fees. You can use it for ingredients, food. That's why we the woman take part in the agriculture.
Perfect. Thank you so much to both.
Your mom